The free Excel course that you're about to watch is just a small part of Microsoft Office full course bundle. So if you want to also master Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint with my teaching style and also be able to gain a certificate of completion for the course you're watching, you can feel free to tap the first link in the description right now and join us over there in a fraction of cost. Also mentionable that this course is brought up to you by the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available to the traditional education. With all that being said, I'm very excited to get started, so let's go. So the last thing that I wanted to talk about in this essentials lesson is about protecting data and saving the project that you have created. So the first one is about protection. In order to protect some kind of a data and make it uneditable, all you need to do is that you need to come right click on the sheet and click protect sheet. And as you see, you will even be able to make a password over here. But I don't make a password. I just click OK. And as you see, this will now be uneditable. I cannot add anything over here unless I enable editing inside my project. So afterwards, after making the change that we have made, I want to show you how to save the project. So let me get back to this first project of us that we had, and I want to save it, for example. So I told you how we can protect one part of our work. We can just right click on our sheet and click protect sheet, and we will be able to make protections. Then by coming to file and save and clicking browse, we will be able to save and export our work. So we have XLSX, as you see. So .xlsx is for Excel workbook. So this is going to save our project just like it is, and we will be able to access it whenever we want, however we want, and wherever we want. And this is going to save it to an Excel project. So if I do that in desktop, I say my first sheet and press save. As you see, now my project is saved. And if I close Excel, for example, tomorrow, I can come and double click and open my project and continue my work here. The other options that we have inside Save As, one of them is, for example, CSV. So CSV is as well a very used and a common format of these sheets and of data saving and data protection, which can be used in order to save your content too. And the point about CSV is that it is not only for Excel, unlike XLSX. XLSX was only for Excel, but CSV can be opened, for example, in Google Sheets as well. You know what I'm saying? The next option of saving that we have over here is TXT, as you see. So if I click save, you will see that we are able to save our data into a text file as easy as that. So we have our table over here, as you see. This is cool as well. We also can save our project in PDF, and by clicking save, you will see that we have this PDF opened up over here. We can view our data, we can go through it, and we can at the end even print it if you want that specific PDF. For example, I can come to charts and make a PDF out of charts. So this PDF exporting option will only be about the sheet that you are currently in. So this will only export the sheet that you are inside. And as you see, we will be able to convert our Excel project into PDFs as well. That's basically it. That's all that we have inside Microsoft Excel. And it was such a pleasure to be with you in this course. It was such a pleasure to be able to teach you all these essentials to the software. And I hope that this lesson has helped you. Don't forget to practice all the concepts that we went through with all the practicing files and sources that I provide you with. And as well, keep updated from the upcoming lessons and parts of this course which are coming, and all are going to be only about projects, and we are not going to go through any of the essentials like this session anymore. That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care.